Hi everybody, I am Amandeep here, your science teacher. So we are going to start the next topic of this chapter, that is what causes the wind, but how are the winds generated actually. So for that we need to know what is the low pressure region and the high pressure regions over the surface of the land. So beta, one thing is that whenever the land gets heated up, the air above it becomes hot, right? And we know that lighter, जो hotter air होती है, it is lighter in weight, right? So due to its lighter in weight, it rises up. वो rise कर जाती है and it creates the low pressure region at that surface जहाँ पे वो पहले थी. Let us take, this is a land and here the air starts rising up due to her rise in temperature. So this area becomes a low pressure region here, right? So this low pressure region is filled by the high pressure region from the surroundings, right? So which causes the wind to blow from high pressure region to the low pressure regions. So this is how the winds are generated. So whenever the hot warmer air rises up, it creates a low pressure region behind it, and which causes the winds from high pressure regions to blow towards the low pressure region, causes the generation of the winds. Clear? So one of the more example of the uneven heating between equator and the poles, let us study about this. What are the trade winds? So trade winds we have also discussed in the previous chapter, that these are the winds which blow from north, from the poles towards the, जो equator की तरफ blow करती हैं winds, उनको we call them as a trade winds, right? So they keep on blowing from all over the poles towards the equator. What is the reason that they blow from poles to equator? That is, let us understand beta, that we know that जो equator वाला part होता है, it experiences the sun rays directly, right? Whereas poles experience the sun rays in the slanting ways, right? So direct sunlight fall करने की वजह से the equatorial region becomes much more warmer as compared to the at the poles. So as it becomes warm, the air above the equator also becomes warm and it rises up. वो rise कर जाती है and creates a low pressure region over the equator. So winds from the poles starts blowing towards the low pressure region from high pressure to the low pressure region. ठीक है? So these winds are said to be trade winds, which blow from the poles towards the equator due to pressure difference. Clear? And they move in the spiral shape like this. In this shape they go because of the rotation of the earth. They cannot exactly go straight. So this is due to the rotation of the earth. Their path is curved like this. Clear it is? So these are the trade winds. This generally occurs between 0 to 30 degree 0 to 30 degree latitudes. Clear? So these are the trade winds that we have discussed. Next comes the what causes monsoons. We know that India में सबसे जो heavy rainfall आती है, that is due to the monsoons. So what is the reason behind that beta? Let us try to understand it. So in winters क्या होता है beta? That let us take an example of summers first. That in summers we know that land है जो वो जल्दी heat up हो जाती है, land gets heated up, and उसके साथ क्या हो जाता है, this causes a low pressure region over here. But oceans जो हैं वो ज़्यादा easily गर्म नहीं होते, तो as compared to land they are cold, तो that is जो है इनके ऊपर higher pressure होता है, whereas low pressure is created by the warm air which rises up above the land. ठीक है? तो क्या होता है कि जो हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ जो एयर है वो ब्लो करना स्टार्ट कर देती है. दिस इज सेड टू बी सी ब्रीज ऑल्सो. सो सी ब्रीज कीप्स ऑन ब्लोइंग इन द समर्स, ड्यू टू विच जो रेन है वो फ्रॉम ओशियंस से वो हमारे इंडिया में आती है, दैट इज़ द मानसून्स आती हैं. वेयर एज आफ्टर दैट वट हैपन्स बेटा, इन विंटर्स है जो लैंड ईजिली कोल्ड अप हो जाती है एज कम्पेयर टू द ओशियंस. तो लैंड का ठंडे होने के कारण जो ओशियन के ऊपर कोल्ड नहीं है अभी, वार्म एयर इट इज़, लैंड के ऊपर ज़्यादा कोल्ड एयर हो गई है, राइट? तो दिस कॉजेज लो प्रेशर ओवर द सी, एंड इन विंटर्स जो है वो मानसून्स वापस चली जाती हैं टुवर्ड्स द ओशियन. सो दिस कॉजेज द मानसून्स which reverse their direction between summer and winters, right? In winters they flow backward to the oceans. This is the Indian peninsular region, and in the summers the air blows from ocean towards the land. clear? That is from high pressure region to the low pressure region. Clear it is? Okay. Next comes the natural disasters. This we are going to discuss. So before that, if in case you are having any doubt in these topics, you can anytime ask me in lectures also, or in case you are not able to attend those, you can anytime message me on WhatsApp. Clear it is? So this is it.